When it comes to investing, one of the first hurdle you want to go through is how to quickly identify discounted stocks so that you can do further research on. One of the first skills you want to master is technical analysis. So when it comes to this area, I use mainly two indicators to find discounted stocks. The first one is Bollinger Band, which is a statistical tool to find outliers. And the second one is exponential moving average, which helps me identify major supports and resistance levels. So if that is something that interests you and you want to learn how to get a free chart software to find these discounted stocks, then I have prepared a free chart course below in the description or the button here. You can click on the link below to register for the free chart course, and I'll walk you through step by step on first how to clean up your chart, how to get that free tool, and how to add those indicators so then you can easily identify discounted stock opportunities in a matter of seconds. Usually when I'm analyzing a stock, it takes less than 30 seconds to do the technical analysis side of things to see if the opportunity is mature. Because a lot of times you might be investing at a premium at a stock without any discounts, which puts you at a disadvantage, or you are investing in a stock at a discount, but too early. And what you are really trying to achieve here is to invest in a stock that is at a discount, a mature bottom that is ready to take off. And that gives you the least amounts of time to wait, and basically it allows you to take profits faster as well. So if you didn't take advantage of the free chart course, then go to the button here or the link below in the description and sign up for it. And you can come back to this video later and leave a comment and let me know whether you like it or not. And a lot of people find it helpful. And as a bonus, I'll also share how I use a stock screener as well. So I'll see you in the free chart course.